Hello, everyone. I hope you all had a great spring break last week. I know I enjoyed my spring break by just kind of laying around, catching up on some movies and some TV shows. I got some cleaning done, and of course, I hung out with Calvin most of the time. So that was really fun. I can't wait to hear about your spring break, which is going to probably be your writing prompt for today. I don't know. You'll have to check when you get to the writing part of the schedule. So for today, I just wanted to do a little screen video to remind you guys of how to do the schedule. And we have a couple new really fun additions to the schedule as well. So for today, as you can see, you are going to do your Newsela article. And remember, to get to your Newsela article, you have to go through your Clever. So let me show you how to do that real quick. Whoops. So this is just how I log on to my Clever. So you're going to go to your Clever and you are going to scroll all the way down to Newsela, which is right here. It's blue and it says Newsela right underneath it. You're going to click that and then you are going to have your assignment. It'll say new and you're going to click that article and you're going to read it. I can see how long you guys are taking to read it, so please do not read it. Just scroll through and take the quiz real quick. I can see if you take 30 seconds. I can see if you take 30 minutes. So please make sure that you are taking your time, reading through the article, and answering the questions the best that you can. This is going to help you with your test taking next year, and it's also going to help you with your reading comprehension and fluency. So please make sure you are working hard and taking your time on that. All right, so now for the then you're going to do Lexia. You need to get 20 minutes and 4 units. You guys, Lexia is probably the most important thing on the entire schedule. This is designed and it's proven to increase your scores on tests. So I know that some of you think it's hard and some of you struggle with it a little bit, but please make sure that you are trying your best to get all of your units and asking me if you need help because I'm here to help. All right, and then you are going to do listen to a read aloud, which you're just going to click this. And it's a really cool book that I found. It is called
Writing
Dragons Love Tacos. So I know a lot of you love tacos, so you guys will like this story. You're just going to listen to it. It's only a few minutes long, and that'll be your reading for the day. Now, important. We are going to try Freckle. Some of you guys have already done this when you've split up into classes when I wasn't there. So Freckle is a fun math website that we're going to try. It says, we are going to try a new fun math website. Follow the directions below to log in. So I already put it in the schedule how to log in, but I'm going to show you guys on here how to log in as well. So you're going to click that link. It says click the link to sign up, and then it brings you to this page. What's the class code? We're going to go back into the schedule and see it's LEHWA 5. So it's my last name, Lewall. Well, it didn't put the LD, but it's LEHWA 5. You can put this in upper caps or lower caps. It doesn't matter. Or in lowercase, it doesn't matter. So you can do LEHWA 5. Then you are going to put your first and last name. So first name, type it in there. Last name, type it in there. Now, since I'm the teacher, I can't go any farther on there, but I can show you. It says preview what your students will see, and this is what you guys will see. You will see, let's get started. Math or ELA. ELA is reading. We're not going to do that. We're going to do math. So you're going to press get started. Then I want you guys just for today to explore. Pick which one that you want to practice today. Pick at least two or three to do. And the most important thing, you guys, you need to make sure you are trying your best because it is going to assign you fun math games according to how well you did on these little pre-tests. So, for example, if you don't care and you just go through it and get them all wrong, then it's going to put you on a kindergarten level or maybe even preschool. And you guys are better than that. You're in third grade, so you need to make sure that you are working hard on these first couple assignments that you do because the computer is trying to figure out what level you're at, and you want to be at the best level you can be at. So, that is what you are going to do for today. I understand that it's a new website, it's a new system, so it's probably going to be a little confusing logging on, just like how the schedule and everything has been at first, but then it'll get better and better. And this will be better to do besides doing ABC, Yeah, Prodigy, Zern every day. So I just wanted to mix it up for you guys. But this is how you log into Freckle. You are going to choose 2 or 3, like I said, and just kind of play around with the website. Make sure you're doing your typing club. If typing club isn't working, then you can just practice typing in a Google Doc. Silent reading, your writing prompt will be posted at 9 a.m. this morning to make sure you guys aren't working ahead. Then your science project for this week is going to be, you're going to be learning about our environment on BrainPop. Here is the username and password. Like always, you're going to click on this and you can click any of these: climate change, extinction, fossil fuels, hybrid cars. Ooh, that's a cool one. Plastic. Any of these, you're going to click, and then you're going to do the movie, the quiz, and then you're going to tell me what you learned. But make sure you're reading the schedule. It says create a Google Doc or a Google Slide about what you learned. You are going to keep adding to the Google Doc or Google Slide throughout the week. So tomorrow you're going to add more. The next day you're going to add more. It can be about the same subject, carbon cycle, or you can add more about something else. And then on Friday you are going to submit it to me. So it's kind of like a project that you're working on all week. You can add pictures to the Google Docs or the Google Slides. I don't care. This is just a fun science assignment that you get to work on every week. And then make sure you're checking your other Google Classrooms for work. That means Mrs. Seller, Mrs. Winland, Miss Finch, Mrs. Copeland, Mrs. Frensos. So make sure that you guys are looking at their Google Classrooms as well. All right, I'm sorry this was a little bit long, but I had a lot to say. I hope you guys have a great, great Monday. I look forward to hearing from you all. I will try to do so the video chat with the whole class hasn't been working. It's been too loud. So I will let you guys know when the next time is that we're going to do a video chat. Or I might just message you and ask if you would like to join a video chat. We might only be able to do like 5 people at a time. So be looking out for that. But we are not going to do a whole class video chat today. I'm going to try to see what I can do to make sure it's not so loud when we do those. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, bye-bye.